Zucchini antipasto like you've never seen before. Here I have a zucchini and I've already removed the ends. Now I'm going to break it into 3 parts and then I'm going to slice it like this. So we'll slice all the pieces in this thickness. This zucchini will be much tastier. Now let's add our sliced zucchini here to this ice water. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and let's mix it up. After mixing, let's soak here for 20 minutes. And then we're going to drain the water here in this frying pan. We're going to add a drizzle of olive oil and then we're going to add the cut zucchini and we're going to quickly grill the zucchini here in this pan. Once we've done that, we're going to put the zucchini here in this container. Then add 100 milliliters of olive oil to a frying pan and add 8 cloves of garlic that we've sliced and let them fry briefly. And once fried, let it cool down. Once this is done, add the fried garlic with olive oil on top of the zucchini, then add a chopped chili pepper, add a cup of chopped parsley, add a couple of cups of chopped olives, a teaspoon of oregano, a little more olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and let's mix very well and look how delicious our zucchini antipasto is turning out. Remembering that leaving it overnight will make it much tastier, I'm going to put it in this glass. After we've filled the glass, we're going to pour the olive oil that's left here into our container. Our zucchini has to be covered in olive oil. It's a preserve you can store for up to 15 days in the fridge. I'm going to serve our zucchini antipasto with toasted bread, but you can serve it any way you like. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.